Hello, I'm Annie.
And I'm Julia.
And we're Hoffman Facilitators, and we're really excited to be offering these new weekend workshops, 2 days of diving into the tools of the process and really deepening our understanding and application of all those wonderful tools that you learned on the process.
Yeah, particularly because there are tools. I mean, some of the tools are quite complex in their in the detail of them, and we go into them in Hoffman. But then there's so many other things that happen that you don't necessarily get all the nuances of them. So it's beautiful to unpack something like transference, or the vicious cycles, if you remember those. Or there's actually loads of different tools that are really good to go more in depth into now that you're back in your lives and you actually know more about what you're meeting and how you've been able to use that tool or not. So we can look at it.
Yeah, and which tools work for you. You know, that there are some tools that might resonate more than others. And the week at Hoffman is so jam-packed. There's so much content. It's impossible to really get a depth of understanding about how to actually, it's one thing to understand it conceptually, but how to actually, practically apply it in the world. Yeah. To take a particular challenge and to be able to look at it through the lens of a particular tool. This is going to be a wonderful opportunity. There's two full days that we'll get to work together, and they're quite small groups with 2 facilitators, so we get to be able to go into a beautiful level of detail with whatever the tools are, and we'll tailor that to the group, to whoever the particular group is.
Yeah, so it's really whatever your needs are, so that you can then come in and talk to us about, or talk to each other about what's been happening, and we can then see how we can best support that. And how you can take that also into your lives and into the group that you then start to reconnect with, so that you can do stuff with them as well, so that you can each form, possibly meetings after that, or continued meetings, or we might do more then in that area.
Yeah, and we can give you, as an ongoing thing, we'll have, guidelines that you can then take into groups, in the community. So that's really one of the things we want to really focus on building around Hoffman, is this sense of belonging and community and network sort of support. Yeah. And it's going to be fun too. We're going to have a lot of fun. We might dance. I'm going to dance. I might do an interpretive dance.
Now?
No.